welcome again to my workshop. Today we're going to get this young lady to carve her name, Hermione. And if you're interested in how to put something like that together, the preceding video to this is a Carveco Maker Plus video that you may be interested in, showing you how to put all the toolpaths together and how to construct a simple sign. So, because this piece of Tasmanian oak actually is the exact size that we need it to be, it's just a piece of offcut that I had, and obviously you need some method of holding this to the table. Now I could have used double-sided tape that I do use sometimes, or even painter's tape and super glue, and I'll show you how to use that method some way down the track. But this is a very simple method where in Carveco I've already positioned these holes, and they should be okay. I shouldn't nick any of the screws anyway, so I think we're going to be okay. And I've mounted them on another scrap piece of plywood actually, and I've drawn a straight line on here and in the X and Y areas. I've also drawn a straight line on my table, so I've lined this up with that and this piece of material on there, so all should be fine. I'm a little worried about that screw, but I think it's going to be okay. So what we're going to do is now set up the 0,0 point of the start of the job right on this corner here. So we're going to put our V-bit carving tool into the chuck, which is an ER20 collet chuck. So to do that, I'm going to fetch it over and we'll swap the tool out. Okay, so to swap the tool out, you need to just get a couple of spanners on. Oh, it's a bit tight. Pull that one out. This one in. It's a 1/4 inch shank. That should be fine. Nip it up firm. You don't have to over tighten this. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to get my hand controller and we're going to find the orientation here. So I'm going to bring it down in Z a bit. We'll fetch it in the Y a little bit, and over in the X, and I'm happy in the X and Y, that's pretty well smack on there. Let's take it down to Z a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to set the 0, so it's just this C with a line through it, and the X is highlighted, so you press OK. Down one, if you notice the DROs, which stands for digital readouts. So we're going to the Y, OK. Next one down to Z, OK. So now we have set our datum point, which we set up in Carveco, that bottom edge. So it's also known as the G54. Okay, so we can escape out of that. So the next thing we're going to do is put our flash drive into this port, open our USB flash drive, and we're going to do the V-bit carving of the her name, Hermione, first. Open. So that's all set. So the next thing we're going to do now is lift the tool up. So I'm going to guide you back over to the tool so you can see what's happening down there. So we're going to lift the tool up, and then we're going to start the program going. I just want to knock the rough edges off her a little. And you'll see her name will just pop just quite a bit there. Beautiful. So I'm just going to do a finishing cut now, which is 0.2 of a millimetre further deeper into this groove. You know, I've decided to leave the square edging on here and just have this detailing groove. I think that's quite nice. What a beautiful sign. I'll just bring you in for a closer look. And of course, this wouldn't be complete, especially as Hermione Granger is concerned, without a little bit of magic. So that's Hermione's first job. So I hope you've liked the video today of V-bit carving a sign. If you have, please press like and subscribe, and if you really like what I'm doing, you could consider becoming a patron to the channel. And don't forget, there's a 5% discount code for Carveco underneath this video. So thank you for joining me, and it's bye for now.